Apple is scheduled to report quarterly financial results after the stock markets close on Thursday, July 31st, 2025. Investors are asking me if they should buy Apple stock before the company announces earnings or after, or if they should be buying Apple stock at all. Of course, I famously said that 2025 was not going to be a good year for Apple stock. I warned investors to begin 2025 not to buy Apple stock, and I made that recommendation around January 1st. Of course, Apple stock is already down almost 15% year to date. So hopefully you listened to that recommendation. And if you wanted Apple stock, you were able to get into it a little bit lower than you were able to buy it to begin the year. So Apple last reported their quarterly financial results for the quarter that ended March 29th, 2025. Notably, this period did not yet have the major impacts from the tariffs that President Donald Trump placed on America's trading partners. Still, Apple generated solid growth in the quarter, generating increases of roughly $5 billion to $95.3 billion, up from $90.75 billion in the same quarter the prior year. For the 6 months, Apple's growth was $9 billion higher than the same 6-month period last year, generating close to $220 billion in sales. The company has a very strong ecosystem with a high cost to switch. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, it's going to be very annoying to switch out of the Apple ecosystem. It's going to be time consuming. And so Apple boasts a very high customer satisfaction and customer retention ratings because they serve their customers well, even though they sell their products and services at higher prices compared to its competition, which is another reason why it makes it attractive to investors. Not only do they generate hundreds of billions of dollars in sales, but those sales also come at higher profit margins compared to its peer group. So to answer the question, do I think you should buy Apple stock before the company announces earnings? I don't think so. I had the stock rated as a hold and I last updated that on June 4th, and I'll update that recommendation again here today, telling investors I don't think you should be buying this stock before the company announces earnings. It'll really help support my channel if you hit that subscribe button. And oh, by the way, one of the benefits of being subscribed is that I take requests from subscribers more often than I do from non-subscribers.